Mmm.
Hey, Jerry! Stop cleaning with me for a sec. It's me, Spongebob. You should make a Krusty Krab pizza for everyone.
Yeah.
Do it!
Okay, SpongeBob. Give me Krusty Krab pizza recipe using pineapple, crab, and nori.
Jerry, you monster!
Let's get it. Pizza dough? How's this, SpongeBob?
I don't need it.
Good size?
I don't need it.
Cool.
Spread the tomato sauce over the pizza crust.
I like mine saucy.
Then, add the chopped onions, green bell peppers, black olives, chopped pineapple, imitation crab meat, and chopped nori sheets on top of the cheese.
I feel like I'm forgetting something.
1:20 later.
Mozzarella cheese, baby. Oh yeah. With a little bit of twist, SpongeBob. Some parmesan cheese.
Sprinkle the pizza seasoning over the toppings.
This looks insane.
Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes.
We'll do 11 minutes. Holy shit, SpongeBob.
That looks f***ing sick.
This shit, man.
Ouch!
Look at this. Now we let it chill for a couple minutes.
2 hours later.